there. Hi neighbors, so you want to know how we vlog? Well, here's the full story. So, how do we vlog? It's a vlog about vlogging. Vlog. First things first. Vlogging in public is awkward. Right now, I'm in my car screaming at my phone. I'm in my car still, you know, but it gets worse. There are times when, you know, you're at the supermarket, have your phone up, you know, walking around. So it gets pretty weird. Like a while ago, just somebody looked at me really strange, like, is this guy getting off? But that's what you have to do. Get the good shots, get good angles. Have to vlog in public, guys. Sometimes people are going to think, now brother, why are you being so creepy? Or don't catch me, not trying to catch you, I'm just trying to get a good shot. So pardon me if I make you feel awkward, but I'm feeling a million times more awkward than you are right now. Going to show you what I got, the fruits that I got, the healthy food that I got. But first, I'm going to have to set up the camera on the floor. Alright, it's a good angle. So that it's a good angle. So you can actually see me walking in. And then when I walk in, I'm going to have to walk back out to pick up at the phone. But you're not going to see all that, you're just going to see one nice smooth shot of me walking in. Like the camera was just there all along. But this is a very good point of view. I have to give you this point of view. Yeah, by the way, talking to the camera is also very weird. So I'm out here peeling a banana, eating a banana. I'm talking to you. Really unsure what I'm doing. Let me not give it food in my mouth. I'm looking at a phone and speaking at a lens. And that is the way to really get into, you know, make eye contact with the viewer. What some persons do, which we used to do as well, you know, because we're always learning, you used to look on the screen, like I'm doing now. And so I'm not really looking at you. I'm watching myself and how broad my shoulders look and how, you know. Wow, triceps doing, man, triceps doing. Yeah, and so basically, I'm not making eye contact with you guys. I'm looking some other way. And really and truly, I should be looking at the lens to make eye contact with you. But talking on a whole to the camera, it's kind of a strange place to be in, which leads me to, let me look back here now. Which leads me to my next point. Sometimes I just don't know what to vlog. I'm not sure why I'm in the trunk of the car right now, but it does make for interesting viewing, right? So, same banana and double finish it. There are some days when I get up, I just don't know what to vlog. What do I mean? Alright. We aren't the vloggers who necessarily just want to randomly take you around. Hey, I'm going to the ATM. Hey, I'm going to water the plants. Next time I'm going to the bathroom to bathe. That to us is not very entertaining. We believe in stories. Tina is a master storyteller. So even if it's a regular mundane day, even though there's nothing like that at this house because something always going on, we still try to tell a story. So what aspect of the day are we capturing that we want to share with the viewers today in an interesting way? A story typically has a beginning, a conflict that needs to be resolved, and then a resolution. And that typically is our strategy. There are times when we just do the random moment to moment vlogging, and sometimes we just don't know what to vlog. I remember once though we prayed about our content, and after praying, the next video that we released was the How We Met series, which is How We Met Part 1, 2, and 3, which has, trust me, no other video on our channel has been viewed as many times or appreciated in terms of the comments, people saying, wow, really appreciate this and all that. Altogether, the 3 videos have over 100,000 views, and that was after we prayed about content and asking God, what do you want from us? What do you want us to produce? And that was the response. And look at how it has worked out, not just for the videos and the viewers, but the channel, the growth from the channel from that has been remarkable. So sometimes we don't know what to vlog, but we'll vlog anyway because something interesting will always show up. Now we're talking about B-roll, and B-roll is really like, it's super important if you want to keep people engaged. So I could be sitting down here talking to you now and just be talking, blah 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 blah. You may very well lose interest after the first 3 seconds, but if I insert a B-roll clip like this while I'm still talking, yes, I'm still saying what I needed to say, but you're having a change in view, which keeps your mind engaged, and I come back to the original clip like this. And so you wouldn't be seeing this one static image of me talking blah 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 blah. So it's an added element to the viewer, and it makes it just much more interesting. Another example, I could be driving on the road and you see me saying that, hey, it's raining, but you're not seeing in front of me to see that, hey, it's actually raining. So while I'm talking to you, I'm giving you footage of actual, what is going on while I'm still talking, but you have that full element, or you're seeing, you're hearing, it's like you're in the moment with us. Understand? Another interesting fact is that it takes minutes. Let's go again. Another interesting fact, it takes minutes to record, but hours to edit. Hours to edit. Banana still going strong. So I can be recording this now and it takes me just 5 minutes here and there to get these shots, but in editing it takes us hours. Tina is our editor who is very meticulous and very cinematographic. I don't think that's a word, but cinematographic. That does sound right. I am more of a moment to moment editor, just put them together. She's making a cup of tea, so she's going to have a shot here, put the camera, at the cup level, and then you see her pouring water. Me, I'm just videoing myself making the tea, and next moment. It takes a lot of effort, guys, between capturing the moment and converting it into something, telling a nice story that you are willing to sit down and watch. But it's always worth it. Now for our next point, which is equipment. What exactly do we use to do what we do? Now it's time for me to show you all our equipment. All our equipment. So first up, image. What we use to capture image, our phones. This is what we use to capture our videos mainly. This is a Huawei Honor 8X and this is Tina's own, and I'm filming right now from mine. We have the exact same phone actually. So the image quality is the same. If Tina shoots something in the day and I shoot something at work or on the road, when it's combined, images are same quality because I have the same exact phone. Not an expensive phone either. And the other thing we use to shoot is this little compact action camera. It costs about $49 on Amazon and it's waterproof. It's in a waterproof case. So when we went to the beach and we were underwater and showing those nice clips, all because of this. So this is the case. I'm going to open this. This is the camera that you're looking at right here. Compact action camera in the waterproof case. That's it for image. Next up is audio. And what we use for audio is basically our phone mics. However, my phone has a defect with the phone mic. Tina's phone is perfect. My phone will only allow you to hear from one side. So if you're using an earphone, you're going to hear a difference right now. Right now, you're only hearing through one side, either your right or left ear, because I'm using just my phone mic. This is the difference maker for me. I have to insert this into my audio jack in order for you to hear from two sides. So I'm going to do it now and you're going to hear back from two sides. Seems like magic. It's not magic. It's a defect and we found a way to fix it. That's it for audio. Next up is our mounts. So right now I'm using a tripod stand, a simple tripod stand that I have my phone mounted on. Also we use a selfie stick, which is right here. I don't really like using the selfie stick, it's more a Tina thing. And in the car we have a car dashboard mount. So when we want to video traffic, where we're going, to show you where we're going, we can use that. We can also use our front camera so that we can have a conversation with you from the car. Lighting. Lighting is super important. Super important. You can have the best audio and best content and everything is so funny and inspiring, but people don't have a good image of what's going on. Lighting, we just had a ring light. Natural light is also perfect, but when you can't have the light naturally, we need our ring light, which we actually just purchased. And I'm going to be reaching right here, and my handy dandy helper just passed me the ring light. So, no, this is not how it would work. But anyway, this will make for a good image, right? Right, this is the ring light, and I can turn it up or down.
You said turn it around, dude.
Turn it around to me, right? Right, so you can see me, right? Down and up. So this is turning it down, and now I have better lighting here. So if we're shooting at night, wow, this is really brilliant. If we're shooting at night, you'll be able to see my blackness in a more clear way. Lights out. So now that we have the image, the audio, the mount, the lighting sorted out, we have a perfect shot, right? But we have different clips and we need to bring it all together. We need a powerful editing software, and that is where our $500 editing software from the most, what we use to edit, not even a computer. The same phone that we use to shoot, to make call, and to WhatsApp and Instagram is the same phone that we use to edit. An app named KindMaster, and we pay $3.45 subscription per month for this app. Very powerful app. You get to do, as far as we know, all that we want to do for editing in a nice, chic, and classy way. And it's a very affordable rate. So there you have it. That's our equipment. And now we'll move on to something else. That was no gimmick. I really almost dropped a while ago. So you're a YouTuber now. Oh, you vlog. we get a question. Let me not say we get a question, but we get it in our interaction with people from time to time, and it's as if they scoff or frown upon, raise them nose at us. It's what you're doing with your life, that kind of a thing. And that's fine. That's fine for them to do, because we know why we're doing this. We know why we're doing this, and actually we enjoy doing this. So I'm going to answer 2 questions in one. We get negative comments. 95% of the comments that we get from our neighbors, and let's say persons who aren't even in the neighborhood, are positive. Let me go as far and say 98% of what we get is positive. But there's the 2% that say, well, they choose to say negative things. And sometimes it's hard to ignore it. Sometimes you really want to respond, and better judgment prevails, and you hold it tongue, because people will be people. And we've learned over the past 6 months how to filter out the negative comments, the comments that are coming with just hatred and negativity towards us, and we're just kind of learning to just fan it off and move on. Let them say what they want to say. We're not deleting the comment. We're not going to reply to you what is on our minds, because you're being unreasonable in your response. We're just going to leave it. That's something we've definitely learned. Other people think this is something that is, so exposing. And why are you doing this? Why are you showing up your family's face and all that? But again, thank you for the majority who are supportive, who see the need for something like this, and who are, 100% motivated with us in going forward. Which takes me to the other question. Why are we even doing this? So Me and My House was created with the vision that, it doesn't have my name, it doesn't have Paul, it doesn't have Reid, because it's not something that we really want to be stuck with us. It's something we want to be born and to live on. Me and My House is all about Joshua 24:15. If serving the Lord is undesirable to you, then fine, do your thing. But as for me and my household, we will serve the Lord. And we are being an example to everybody else of how a family can be. We are not perfect. We are not. Sometimes me and Tina can't agree. Sometimes I just can't stand her. Sometimes she just can't stand me. We have arguments and we fall out. We step on each other's toe and hurt each other's feelings, like every other couple. But at the end of the day, we keep Christ at the center. And that's the message. We try to be involved with our children in their lives and all that, and we keep God at the center. Otherwise, we would fail. I read a book by Miles Monroe. If you've watched other videos, you'll hear about it. The principles and power of vision that changed or motivated me, even though I had already the idea in my heart. It motivated me, and I put certain things on paper, certain notes that I made to execute this channel. And thank God, the way it has been going is really good. Thank God for that. That's the reason why. That's the basis of why we're doing what we're doing, to show God. The point of our lives is to bring glory to God, and this is one avenue where people can see us, but not just see us, but they can see Him. So from me, Tina, Hannah, Leila, Zahra, Eden, and Ava, it's always a pleasure to share with the neighbor. Until next time, take care, God bless, and big up from me and my house. One love.